From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with a short-term forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, October 14th. Well, the weather during the second weekend of the month was nothing short of spectacular across the lower Susquehanna Valley. Mostly sunny skies and breezy conditions accompanied highs in the low to mid 70s on Saturday and in the upper 70s to even low 80s in spots on Sunday. However, the tide has changed early this week as a potent cold front moved through the region on Sunday night, and in its wake, westerly winds of 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour have ushered drier and much cooler air into the lower Susquehanna Valley this afternoon. So without further ado, let me jump right on into things here and start by taking a look at our daily climatology. And believe it or not, today's high of 69 actually occurred at midnight, and this morning's low of 58 just occurred a couple hours ago around 10 a.m. The normal high for October 14th at Mooresville is 67 with a normal low of 43. Today's record high was 84, set in 1975, with a record low of 27, set in 1932. Taking a look at the sky cam from the John Wright restaurant looking east across the Susquehanna River into Lancaster County, you'll notice a mix of clouds and sun out there. It's hard to tell that it's windy on this sky cam, but trust me, if you walk outside, you'll definitely notice that westerly breeze. And again, these partly to mostly cloudy skies are going to be a common theme throughout the rest of the day. And we take a look at the visible satellite, and that confirms what you see on the sky cam. Generally, partly sunny skies are currently in place across southeastern PA, but you'll notice northern and western parts of the state have more cloud cover over them right now, and as this pocket of colder air continues to push into the region, well, skies are going to become increasingly cloudy again this afternoon, and I think after 2 or 3 o'clock, most of the lower Susquehanna Valley and southeastern PA will be covered in clouds. So as we take a look at the GFS model for 8 p.m. this evening, you'll notice last night's storm system and its associated cold front have pushed well off the mid-Atlantic coastline at this point, and in their wake, northwesterly winds are continuing to usher that pocket of unseasonably cold air into the region. There is a bit of a secondary cold front that's currently moving through southeastern PA and northern Maryland as I speak. That will blow through the region this afternoon, and you'll notice that the core of the coldest air is still going to be up over the northern Great Lakes region this evening, but that will continue to sag farther south and east tomorrow, and this is going to be the chilliest air mass since April across the region. So tomorrow is going to be unseasonably cool with highs only in the mid to upper 50s. That's about 10 degrees below average for mid-October. It won't be as windy tomorrow as what it will be today, and skies are going to be very similar today, partly to mostly cloudy. I don't expect any precipitation over the next few days south and east of Interstate 81, but with that partial sunshine and even that bit of a northwesterly breeze, it's going to feel really cool out there tomorrow. So don't forget to grab a jacket or sweater before heading out the door to work or school. Tuesday night into Wednesday, the core of that coldest air settles right over the mid-Atlantic states. So Wednesday is actually going to be even cooler than Tuesday. And you'll notice these isobars or lines of constant mean sea level pressure are really tightly packed overhead again on Wednesday. So that means it's going to be a bit windier on Wednesday compared to tomorrow. It won't be as bad as this afternoon, but I do expect northwesterly winds of 12 to 25 miles per hour to return on Wednesday, and there will be gusts up to 30 miles per hour at times. So factor in that partial cloudiness, especially in the afternoon hours. It's going to feel really chilly out there on Wednesday. Now, the good news is the next 2 nights, I do suspect that we won't have to worry about any frost or freeze concerns due to some cloud cover lingering overnight and that persistent 8 to 16 mile northwesterly breeze. But you'll notice on Wednesday that this high pressure system centered over the central states, well, that's actually going to shift eastward into the central Appalachians and the mid-Atlantic by Thursday and Friday. So that'll mean clear skies, lighter winds at night, and our first widespread frost and possibly even freeze in spots later Wednesday night or Thursday night, depending on just how fast that high pressure system moves eastward and over the Commonwealth. So taking a look at the short-term Campus Weather Service forecast, mainly clear and cooler tonight with winds subsiding in the evening, low 40, partly sunny and cool on Tuesday with a gentle breeze, high 56, blustery and cool on Wednesday with sunshine giving way to afternoon clouds and a high of 54. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the short-term forecast. Tune back in on Wednesday afternoon when the next edition is issued. Until then, grab a jacket or a sweater and stay warm out there over the next 72 hours.